Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And it's a marbling day. It's a 3-for and it's a short one. I hope you enjoy your time with me today. It's Friday and I hope I have some friends with me. Please check below for the links just in case you missed them. I got some new paints from Michaels. I have a lavender. Pink, black, yellow, green, and orange. And colors I had: white, red, aquamarine, tropical blue, and yellow. And to put in here, I used the Marbling Magic Medium. This came with the kit, and this is a new one that I bought. So when I dropped that black, I noticed that it sunk to the bottom, and I remembered what Star told me, if a paint sinks, to shake it up, and also to raise it up higher. And that's what I did here. I raised the paint up higher, and it didn't sink anymore. As you can see, I'm trying to make little pumpkins here. Then I'm adding little green stems. So little experiments I was trying. And you'll see at the end, it actually, it did look like pumpkins when I was done. Then my water here. Right, I'm just gonna push it down and hope I can just get what I need here. And I'll have just a little, I'll have a border in white. Oops. taken classes yet, so I'm just using the Deco art supplies I have, and don't come with too many instructions here. I'm hoping we get a good transfer. Oh, yes, I do. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. I am in awe. Look at that. Okay, let me get this into the clear water here. How exciting. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful transfer. You've lost some color in there. Have to work on that, but I think it looks beautiful. And I like it with the little edge in white until I get something bigger. I think I'm going to use the large baking sheet, and that's the size that's in my drying rack in the marbling magic medium the next time. It's quite large. And this is the next day, and it's all dried and ironed. And check out those little pumpkins that I was telling you about. They did come out. Looks a little faded, so I'm going to call this vintage. And I love it just the way it is. What a great bandana. So here I'm doing a gift bag. I bought some gift bags at the dollar store, and I sprayed them with some alum, and I call these my designer gift bags because they're going to match whatever I'm doing here. And I'm just cleaning that out now, and I'm going on to do some paper for a card. Unfortunately, I lost somehow I did not press record, so I lost that part. So here you are just watching me take this out. And I used a little hexagon piece of paper that I had. And I like the way that one looked. It looks a little vintage there. And here I am making the card. So this is an easy way to make a card. This is a pre-made card from that you buy in Michael's. They're fairly inexpensive. They come in a pack of, I think, 50. You buy them in a box. And what I'm doing here is I'm just tracing this out on the back of my marbling paper. As you can see. I'm just going to cut this out. So I'm cutting this out. then I'm making sure that it fits properly onto the face of the card. I realized I got some ink on that when I was tracing it, so I get another card. I like the orange better, actually. It makes that pop a little bit. Now I take some score tape and I fit that around the paper, the marbles paper. And this is 1/8 of an inch score tape. You take that backing off. And look how easily we have a card. Fit that on top and just push that down a little bit. I know I'll be doing some embellishing at some point with this, but this matches up nicely with my bag and with my bandana. So we have a 3-in-1 for this week. How cool is that? I hope you enjoyed this week, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. Take a moment, press that subscribe button and hit all. And I would love to see you again next week with Friday with Friends. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now. See you soon. Be safe out there.